Hey y'all, today I'm making, it's pumpkin pie season y'all, so I gotta make something with that pumpkin and pumpkin pie spice. I've got a pack of Hawaiian sweet rolls. I'm just gonna go ahead and make these little divots in each one. I found that using a tiny little whisk is the best way to go. I've got half a cup of butter here that's melted. Got some dark brown sugar, a tablespoon scoop, do 2 tablespoons. And we're also going to do 1 teaspoon and 2. Give this a quick mix. Pour this all over the center of those. While this is all soaking into the bread, we're going to make our additional filling. Start with a tub. This is an 8-ounce tub of the whipped cream cheese because that's so much easier to work with than waiting for a block of cream cheese to soften up. To that we're adding 1 can of cooked and pureed pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. This is just the pureed pumpkin. It's a little bit more cinnamon. We're just going to be doing a half a teaspoon. This is a half teaspoon measure. Do a splash of vanilla. I tend not to measure, but I guess it would be like a teaspoon or more. 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Mix this all together. Once you've got this all combined, take a little scoop like that. I'm gonna put some inside of each Hawaiian roll. And then this is going to go into a 375 degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Look at how this turned out. I've got half a cup of powdered sugar, a little bit of cinnamon. So we're just going to add just some cinnamon to that. I say maybe about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And this half and half. We're not adding a whole lot because we're making a glaze. Just maybe like a tablespoon's worth. Mix. And all you have to do is drizzle away. Doesn't that look amazing? Look at that. What a wonderful way, a little bit different than your traditional pumpkin pie, like a pumpkin pie Danish. Look at that, there's all that cinnamon on the inside. Looks so good. Pumpkin pie on soft, pillowy Hawaiian bread. Can't beat it. You have to make this. It's absolutely going to be a hit, I promise.